Hi everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make fish and chips. The batter's extra crispy and it's absolutely delicious. So let's start with the tartar sauce. We're going to chop up 1 cup of pickles. Make sure that they're finely diced. Into 1 cup of mayonnaise, we're going to add the pickles, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of American mustard. We're just going to give that a good mix, put it into another bowl and set it in the fridge until we're ready to use it. Let's get on with the fish. We need about 225 grams of fish that has been pin boned. You can keep the skin or remove it, it's entirely up to you. We're just going to marinate the fish with half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, set it aside for 20 minutes and that will remove all the excess water from the fish. Now to dredge the fish, we're going to use half a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Give it a good mix and dredge each piece with this flour and just brush off any excess. Now let's move on to the batter. Now for the batter, you're going to need 225 grams of plain flour, 3 heaped teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Just going to give that a good mix and add 250 milliliters of fizzy water. The batter will be glossy and the consistency will be like semi-whipped cream. Using a fork, you're just going to pick each piece of fish up, dip it into the batter and place it into the oil. The oil should be warmed up to 160 degrees Celsius, nothing more, otherwise the coating will burn and the fish will remain raw. Only place 3 to 4 pieces into the oil at one time. This prevents overcrowding and the batter will remain on the fish. Here's a pro tip for you that I learnt from Heston Blumenthal. After the fish has been cooking for a couple minutes, remove it from the oil and spoon some batter onto the fried fish. This will make the batter extra crispy. And who doesn't like extra crispy batter? And once the fish has been frying in the oil for about 4 to 5 minutes, remove it from the oil and place onto paper towels to remove all the excess. Serve your fish with tartar sauce, mushy peas and chips. The recipe for the mushy peas is in the description below. Thank you for watching everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.